How's it going, everybody? It's an awesome day here in the Pacific Northwest as we are going crabbing and fishing with Chad.
How's it going?
Chad is a super fan. I would say so. He's been around since the beginning of the channel, and today we're doing some crabbing. You said you crabbed yesterday?
I did.
What'd you catch?
We caught 3 Dungeness yesterday. Had to throw a female and a rock crab bed.
Okay. Any red rock in this area?
Yes.
So we're gonna go crabbing and then we're gonna bottom fish for some.
I didn't bring a fishing pole. We're gonna use that with the GoPro.
Oh, yeah, I totally forgot our fishing pole. Okay, guess we're not fishing, we're just crabbing. But we got a drop pot here. And we got some chicken, and we'll see what happens. So let's get out there. All right, current time's 8:20. We're about to toss the pot in. We're using chicken. Chicken ain't cheap anymore.
Ain't cheap anymore.
$14 for some legs. It's a new pot. Just give us a moment. So we're currently reeling in a pot that Chad left overnight. What did you say about
Yesterday morning.
Yesterday morning.
About this time.
All right. We're gonna put the GoPro in this pot probably. Okay, we'll let it sit for a while. Let's see what he has on the way up. I like that, by the way. I'm used to pulling him up by hand.
This is cheap.
Looks like you got.
Red rock crab.
We got red rock.
Like that guy's a keeper.
Okay.
That guy's probably too small, but we'll measure him. And they gotta be male. So.
Oh, he's not let go.
No, they do that. But you see the triangle on the bottom?
Yeah.
That's a male. If it's a female, it looks like a beehive.
Oh, okay. And then you got your measuring stick. Nice.
It's got to let go for me to do that.
Hey, buddy.
So 6 inches is that inner mark right here.
Okay.
So when you go from horn to horn, he's actually Dungeness size. So he is a keeper.
Oh.
Throw him in the bucket.
There you go.
And if he's a keeper, then this one's a keeper.
Oh. Look at that.
It's coming for you.
Yeah, but he grabbed on too. Just threw the GoPro in, and we're gonna let that one sit for a while. It's 8:38. Dang, it's already been 20 minutes since we dropped the last one.
Has it?
Yeah,
Wow.
it's going by pretty quick. We're seeing a lot of fish jump out here. Our bad, we forgot the fishing pole. Gonna have to get me one of those.
They're nice. This
Yeah.
came with the boat. If you go buy these,
Yeah.
they're about $600.
That's not bad. Because my dad had rebar crab cages, and those were so heavy. And we by hand. We put them 50 feet down.
Yeah. Another rock.
Just the one today, huh?
Yeah, that sucks.
Yeah, this is much bigger. Okay, we're back at the drop pot, and we'll see what we got. And oh, we found somebody though. Hey, look at that.
Cute little guy.
Oh.
That's female.
Oh, okay.
See the beehive shape?
Yeah, okay. Got it. Bye-bye. All right, we are back. We went out for a little boat ride over there. It was super cool. It's been about 35 minutes since the last time we dropped this. Let's see if the drop pot's got some in. Oh, what do we got here? What's up, big guy? I mean, he's not that big, but yeah. Oh, you're gonna get tangled up, and you're gonna have to think about your life choices.
Make good decisions.
He's doing cartwheels. Hello. You have anything to say on the microphone?
So if you measure this guy, I'm willing to bet you he's a keeper, because there's your.
That's your Dungeness.
Yep, there's your Dungeness right there. So we could throw him in there. He'll eat. Have some rock crab.
Well, there we go. The drop pot worked.
Now we gotta get rid of the little guy.
Yeah. Oh, it's female.
Come here, little lady. How are you? Definite beehive shape.
Yep.
Watch fingers.
Oh no. Okay, we're pulling up the pot with the GoPro in it. Should be up here any second. Hopefully there's something in it and the GoPro didn't fall off. It won't fall out of the cage, but be bad for footage. We'll see. Oh, there is some. Hey, we got something. All right, that's good. We got some seaweed, and that's really nice. The GoPro's still in the same spot it was, so that's maybe they like the light. Maybe that's what it was. You know, they could see where they were going.
I bet it is.
Yeah. But we did catch a couple. That's pretty cool.
More red rocks.
No keepers, but he got to keep his finger.
Yeah, I pinched my finger.
Yeah, he did real good. It's turning purple. You gotta watch out for those crab. Yeah, so far we got 3. We're gonna go back over to the drop pot. Just look at the GoPro footage. Super cool. It's fun to watch. We noticed them, they kind of migrated towards where the light was pointed at the chicken, and they kind of just kept eating in that area. So maybe that's a hint that you need to put lights in your crab pot.
I think so.
Is it illegal?
I don't think it's illegal.
I don't know. You never know with fishing and fish and wildlife, you know. So we're gonna do the drop pot, and then I think we're gonna call that it for here. Don't leave, of course. We're gonna go to car show after this. Chad said there's one in the local area.
In Hansville, up at Buck Lake.
Okay, so. Oh, if you're wondering, we're out near Point No Point right now.
Yes.
Ooh, check out that boat. All right, back to the drop pot. Man, that current is pulling. It's way over there.
Going for a ride.
All right. Oh, no, nothing this time. That's all right. We got one out of it, so, I mean, that's a pretty good. And in the last pot, we had a whole bunch of them. That's a pretty cool GoPro footage right there of the crab coming up and eating the chicken. So Chad,
hello.
You've been a fan of the channel for, you know, a day or two.
Day or two, or 3.
What's one of your favorite videos?
I honestly think your fireworks video was one of my favorite. I also really liked the cruise line trip where you did the tour of the cruise ship.
Oh, so you're talking about the one we just did recently?
I think it was the last one you and Shelly went on, and then the recent fireworks video.
Yeah, okay, so the 4th of July video we just had, which this video will be right after that because I have nothing else. Cool. So that's pretty cool. Potentially moving to Florida.
Excited for you.
I know. I'm excited that we actually finally got out and got to do something.
It's about time. We've been talking about it.
We've been talking about it for about a year. Like I said, if you guys want to get on the channel, I try, but I'm in Japan a lot.
You are in Japan.
In Japan a lot. There's a lot of Japan videos.
I spend more time with Shelly than Ron does.
Yes. It's because they work together.
Yes. Don't take that the wrong way.
So, yeah, we're gonna get out now. He's gonna keep the crab. You keep the crab. It's all right.
I'm some home with him.
No, Tanner doesn't want crab. He wants crawfish. By the way, Tanner wants crawfish.
We can order crawfish.
Yeah, that's what I said. And then he said he really wants to try crawfish.
My fingers finally stopped hurting.
Oh yeah. How's that feeling though?
Not bad now.
Fast forward now, we are at the car show. As you can see, we got a Miata here, fancy. It's got Barney though, and there's an Audi R8 right there. It's got the V10 model. There's two models. There's a V8 model and a V10 model.
I didn't know there was a V10 model.
This is the V10 model. I do like the V10.
Where did they put a V10 in?
It's in the back. But it's the Lamborghini V10. Yeah.
So it's the expensive model.
It's the expensive model. Yes, it is. That is a beautiful Ford pickup truck right here. 1950 or 1935 or 55?
55.
55. Looks nice. Well, that is a McLaren. Let's see, McLaren 720S. Looks super good. Hey, here's a car I know. It's a Honda S2000. F22C motor. I really thought about getting one of these. Wow, this looks radical. That is so cool. And the overall look of this vehicle, I think this is the coolest one I've seen here. That is amazing. It is a 1950 Studebaker truck. Chopped 4.5 inches. And then check out the interior. I like the shift knob there. Well, I think that's it for the Hansville car show for us. You're from here, right?
I am from here.
Yeah, so I didn't even know this was a thing. It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I've seen some old stuff, some new stuff. The McLaren was very new.
McLaren's very cool.
2020 McLaren over there. But then like nice old Model Ts over there. And then we went crabbing. We caught 3 good sized crab today. And overall, I got to hang out with Chad finally.
I got to hang out with Ron finally.
We've been talking about doing this for a long time.
Yeah.
So I hope you guys all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please hit that like button. Let me know you enjoyed it. Of course, subscribe to the channel. I love the support. It's free to do.
Smash the like button.
Smash the like button. So thanks, Chad, for hanging out.
Thank you, Ron.
I had a good time.
Me too.
And we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.